Good day, I'm Jared, reporting for an international news channel. Today, we turn our attention to South Sudan, where the United Nations continues its peacekeeping mission amid ongoing violence, political instability, and the deepening humanitarian crisis. The United Nations mission in South Sudan, also known as UNMISS, was established by the UN Security Council in 2011, shortly after South Sudan gained independence. UNMISS is responsible for protecting civilians, supporting the peace process, and monitoring human rights across the country. The mission operates under the authority of the UN Security Council, which regularly renews its mandate in response to conditions on the ground. Despite peace agreements signed by rival political factions, violence continues in several regions. Thousands of civilians have sought shelter in UN protection sites, relying on peacekeepers for safety. UNMISS has also faced serious challenges, including limited resources, difficult terrain, and criticism over its ability to prevent armed clashes. However, the mission has played a crucial role in providing humanitarian crisis. According to the United Nations, millions of South Sudanese still need humanitarian assistance, highlighting the ongoing importance of the mission. In conclusion, the UN peacekeeping mission in South Sudan and limitation of United Nations operations, while lasting peace remains uncertain. UNMISS continues to protect civilians and support stability in one of the world's youngest nations. This mission reflects the UN's border goal of maintaining international peace and security through cooperation and collecting actions. Reporting for an international news channel, I'm Jared. Thank you for watching.